Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 1.0% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The pound-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair gained 0.3% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Tesla has told the French government there is no indication that a fatal accident in Paris involving a Tesla Model 3 taxi was caused by a technical fault. British inflation surged to its highest in more than 10 years in November, jumping to 5.1% and potentially unsettling the Bank of England a day before it announces whether it is raising interest rates. Smart contract platform Avalanche's ability to scale while remaining secure and decentralized makes it a credible alternative to Ethereum, Bank of America said in a research report.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. market PMI composite will be released at 14:45 GMT. Australia's unemployment rate at 0.130 GMT. The Eurozone's ECB deposit rate decision at 12:45 GMT. The Eurozone's ECB interest rate decision will be released at 12:45 GMT. The UK's market services PMI at 0930 GMT. Australia's employment change at 0.130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.